Good morning. This is so crazy. I'm doing a long form vlog. I'm so nervous. So y'all be spending the day with us. As y'all can see, I'm dressed for the day, but my baby is not dressed. So we about to get her dressed real quick. We're gonna be in the house today, but we still can get her dressed. Let's find her something to wear. Ain't that right? She just woke up. Hey. Let's find her something to wear. Something chill but cute. How about this? It says Mama's Mini. I don't think she's worn this yet. We're going with this. Ooh, should we do stripes? I was gonna do just some basic black pants, but we should do stripes, right? I think that'd be cute. That's cute. That's cute. Let's put your pants on. And this is how she's looking today. Mm-hmm. So I plan on making some carrot and rice puree, so I need to wash all of her jars, make sure they're nice and clean, and then I also have some other dishes to wash. So let's head to the kitchen. So lately I've been using this splash guard, and it's made cleaning in the kitchen so much easier. The counter stays dry, so does my clothes. It's super simple to put on. You just line it up like this, and it stays right in place while you're washing. Everything stays in the sink, and whatever tries to escape just hits the splash guard. Now here's the splash guard in action. As I'm washing the dishes, the water will hit the splash guard instead of flying everywhere. This little thing has honestly changed my kitchen routine. Once I'm done washing dishes, I don't have to wipe the counters down or clean up splashes. I could just move on with my day. I love how flexible it is too. It bends easily, so even when I'm washing bigger pots or bottles, it doesn't get in the way at all. And the best part is, when I'm done, the counter still looks spotless. No puddles, no mess, just clean. It's also super easy to rinse off and dry when you're finished, and it doesn't leave any sticky marks or anything like that. If you're tired of water splashing everywhere when you're washing dishes, this is definitely something worth trying. I'll have the link down below so you can check it out. Right here, I'm just showing you that instead of the water going on the counter, it definitely did go on the splash guard. I'm really hoping that she takes a good nap after I feed her. So as you guys can see, she clearly did not take a nap. Today is one of those days where she just wants to fight her sleep and cry. And she always decides to do this when I have stuff to do. So I'm about to go ahead and meal prep. I want to have food ready to go so that I won't have to find anything to eat. Already cleaned my chicken, have some drumsticks, and some chicken thighs. Then we'll make some fresh green beans and some rice. Real simple, but it's gonna be real good. I'm keeping it real simple with the season. Buttery garlic and herb and seasoning blend. And this is how it looks. Nice and seasoned. Got some onions and green pepper. And now I'm gonna add Some water. Everything is done. I already put the rice in the container. And here are my green beans. It looks so good. Here is the chicken. I added cream of mushroom. I love cream of mushroom. This looks so good. And this is how everything came out. Do y'all hear my baby back there screaming? This looks so good. So good. Which one should I eat? Right now, my head is hurting and I'm tired. Today was a long day. I'm so glad that this day is coming to an end. But I'm about to eat my food. Good. I'm about to get this little girl ready for bed so I can have some quiet time. I'm tired, like literally tired. It's time to go to bed. This is her little nightgown for the night. So cute. You ready to go to bed? You gotta change your diaper. But yeah, this was a pretty chill day. My car is still damaged and I will be calling them tomorrow morning. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next one. Do not forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Say bye. 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 Bye.